So this is the what we call the excitation table of the asked problem. Okay, so here so in the question he has not talked about 0 to 1 0 sequence, right? What will be the output value when this is the sequence, right? So you put 0 0 0, and for all for don't cares you put don't care, right? So this column we need to put the k-map for j, k, jb, kb and y. Total 5 k-maps I need to put to obtain the Boolean expression for the asked problem. Okay, so now we will put the k-map for these 5 columns. So we'll put k-map for j, k, jb and kb, right? So how many inputs for these k-maps? There are 3 inputs, right? So which are they? One is capital X, second one is capital A, third one is capital B. Okay, X, A, B, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 and 0 1, where X is MSB and B is LSB. Okay, in the column you can see in the previous video you can see that. Okay, so for 0 0 0, this is 0th cell, 1 cell. I'll write rewrite the cell number here. This is 0 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, for 0 it is 0. This is k-map for JA. Okay, for 0 0th cell 0 1 1, 2 don't care, 3 don't care, 4 1 5 0, 6 don't care, 7 don't care, right? So now group these ones. This one can be grouped with this don't care, the adjacent don't care, and this one can be grouped with this don't care, even though it is not a physically adjacent, but it is logically adjacent. So what is the expression for this group? It is x x bar b, and for this group what is the expression? It is x b bar, x b bar. That means JA, what is the Boolean expression for JA? It is x bar b plus x b bar, which is equal to x XOR b, x XOR b. Now we'll put a k-map for k. Even no need to put k-map for k, because for all cells either it is 1 or it is 0. No, sorry, don't care, right? So these both ones can be grouped along with the don't cares, and you can obtain the output expression which is equal to 1. Let me put a k-map for ka, right? So I will not put k-map for kb, because ka and kb they are same in the sense, not with the with respect to the values. They are same with respect to the cell what you can say, cell values, right? So either they are 1 or they are don't care, right? So no need to put a k-map for kb. Even for ka it is not required. Okay, so let me write for ka. For kb I will directly write ka. For 0 it is don't care, 1 don't care, 2 1, 3 don't care, 4 don't care, 5 don't care, 6 high and 7 don't care, right? So these two ones can be combined with these two, these all 6 don't cares, and we can write the final expression where ka is equal to 1. The next one we'll put k-map for JB, right? So this one can be combined with this don't care, and this one can be combined with this don't care, and the expression for this group is x bar a bar, and the expression for this group is x a, which is equal to again x XNOR a, x XNOR a, right? And kb, no need to put kb, directly we can write kb is equal to 1. Okay, just put those Boolean expressions in a box. Okay, and now the final K-map for output, which is Y. This is K-map for Y. Uh, 0, 1, 2, it is 1, 3, don't care, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, 7, don't care, right? So now this one can be combined with this don't care, and this one can be combined with the same don't care. And what is the expression for Y? It is x bar, what's x bar b, x bar b plus x bar a, and x bar you can take common, and in bracket you can write a plus b, right? So these Boolean expressions we are going to use to design the final circuit. Okay, so let me rewrite those Boolean expressions. And we will design the final circuit, right? So what is the expression for JA? It is XOR X XOR B. Expression for KA, it is 1. Expression for JB, it is X XNOR A. KB is equal to 1, and final output X bar inside bracket A plus B, right? So now we will design the circuit. The inputs are X, right? So you try to design the circuit which is similar to the general block diagram of clock synchronous sequential circuit, right? This is X. What is the combination circuit now? X XOR B, right? JA, which is the present state, you can say, right? The output of X XOR B, the output is JA, which is connected to the J of first JK flip flop, right? So this is JA. Next, what is KA? KA is 1. KA is 1, right? Output is Q, which is represented as we took it as A, capital A, and Q bar, leave it as it is. Okay, next we need one more flip flop, because 2 flip flops we need. Second input is JB and KB. What is JB? According to the Boolean expression, it is X and X XNOR A. JB is X XNOR A, right? So where is A? A is here, and the output of this second flip flop is Q, which we took it as B, and Q bar, leave it as it is, right? Next, so this B I can connect it to this B. Okay, see, this, due to this feedback, this is called the memory block. Next, this A I can connect it to this A, right? Next, so what is the expression? K is 1, KB is also equal to 1, right? Now Y is X bar. How to obtain X bar? Use a NOT gate. X bar, this output is a X bar. Inputs are A and B. Take A, take B, you perform logical OR operation and give it to AND operation, right? So we need to convert all these outputs into a single output based on the final expression, which is Y, right? So the operation between X bar and A plus B is logical AND, right? So now if I group these circuits, if I divide the circuits into three parts, so first we have only a combinational circuit, right? A combinational circuit in which it is a function of the present input as well as the present state. A and B are the present states, right? Next, this is a memory block which contains the flip-flops, memory block, and the last one, you can put all three gates in the last part, which is again a combinational circuit, right? So now if I write y, where y is the function of both x and a and b, y is a function of both x and a and b are nothing but the present states here, right? So that means the final output is going to depend on the present input as well as the present state output, a and b. That means this circuit is the Mealy circuit or Mealy state model, right? So I hope you understood. It is very simple. It is very similar to the design of counters. Only the difference here is we are going to take one more input which is called the present input, right? So depending on that present input and the present state of the flip-flops, we are going to design the circuit, right? So we have two extra columns, one at the input side, one at the output side. At input side we call it as a present input column, and output side we call it as the final output. So along with the JA, KA, JB, KB, we have one more column which is called the actual output or the final output, right? To which will be the output of this final combinational circuit, right? So in the next class we will continue this topic in the next class. In the next class we will again see about the general block diagram of Moore's model, and we will take one example and we will discuss how to generate or how to design the Moore's model using the given problem statement. Okay, thank you.